So, children, I hope that you have understood everything about house, how to keep your house clean, what good qualities should a house have. So, now we shall move towards our next topic, that is clothes and fibers. Children, clothes are equally important for us. They are equally important as house. So, children, let's read about clothes and fibers. Early humans used leaves and skin of dead animals to cover their bodies. Nowadays, we wear clothes not just to cover our bodies but also to keep ourselves warm in winter, to protect ourselves from sun's heat in summer, protect ourselves from rain and insect bites, and to look good. Children, earlier, our primitives, हमारे जो पूर्वज थे, they used leaves and skin of dead एनिमल्स मारते थे, उनका स्किन निकाल के उसको ड्राई करके अपना कपड़ा बनाते थे एंड लीव्स से वो अपना कपड़ा बनाते थे. अर्लियर दे डिड नॉट हैव फैब्रिक्स लाइक कॉटन, जूट, सिल्क. दे डिड नॉट हैव सच फैब्रिक्स. ये सब बाद में हुआ. चिल्ड्रन, तो in earlier days, humans used leaves and skin of dead animals to cover their bodies. Nowadays, we wear clothes of different type of fabrics. We wear clothes to cover our bodies, not only to cover our bodies, सिर्फ अपना तन ढाकने के लिए हम लोग कपड़ा नहीं पहनते, हम लोग बहुत सारे रीजंस के लिए कपड़ा पहनते हैं. वो रीजंस है टू कीप आवरसेल्व्स वार्म इन विंटर. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm in winter क्योंकि winters are very very cold. So if you wear cotton clothes in winter, you will feel cold. So we use wool and we use woolen clothes to wear, which we wear in winter to keep ourselves warm in winters, to protect ourselves from cold. Second, protect ourselves from sun's heat in summer. Children, if you wear woolen clothes in summer season, you will feel hot. What should we wear in summer season? We should wear light colored cotton clothes in summer so that the heat does not bother us much. Your clothes should be light and very light, and it should soak the perspiration, it should soak the sweat. So we should all wear cotton clothes in summer to keep ourselves light and cool. It protects ourselves from rain and insect bites. Children, if you wear a raincoat or a gum boot, these type of materials save us from rain. It protects us from rain and getting wet. It prevents us to get wet, and it protects us from rain and insect bites. If you wear full covered clothes, the insects won't be able to come and bite you. So it protects us from rain and insect bites. And children, if you wear good clothes, nice clothes, you will also look good. So these are the points of why we wear clothes. Clothes are made up of fibers. Fibers are of two types: natural fibers, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are human made. Children, there are two types of fibers. Fibers means materials from which we make our clothes. Natural fibers are fibers which we get from nature, and synthetic fibers are made by humans. Natural fibers are obtained from either plants or animals. Children, please keep in mind, natural fibers are either we get natural fibers from either plants or animals. And cotton and jute are plant fibers. Wool and silk are animal fibers. We get cotton, जो कॉटन हम लोग पहनते हैं समर में, वी गेट कॉटन एंड जूट. जूट का बैग होता है ना, जूट. वी गेट कॉटन एंड जूट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, एंड वी गेट वुल एंड सिल्क फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. वी गेट वुल फ्रॉम sheep and silk from cocoons, isn't it? So here is a chart. You can go through the chart. Fibers made by humans in factories are called human made or synthetic fibers. Nylon, terracotta and polyester are synthetic fibers. Children, there are fibers other than the natural fibers. Cotton, jute, wool and वुल एंड सिल्क छोड़ के पॉलिएस्टर, टेरिकॉट, नायलॉन, मोनोनायलॉन, ये सब होता है ह्यूमन मेड फैब्रिक्स. दीज आर मेड बाय ह्यूमंस इन अ फैक्ट्री. ह्यूमंस क्या कहते हैं, ये हम लोग फैक्ट्रीज में बनाते हैं, ये नेचुरल फाइबर्स नहीं है. सिंथेटिक कपड़े, चिल्ड्रन, सिंथेटिक कपड़े हमें ह्यूमन मेड फाइबर्स से मिलते हैं. फाइबर्स मेड बाय ह्यूमंस इन फैक्ट्रीज आर कॉल्ड ह्यूमन मेड और सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. ये सारे फाइबर्स हम लोग फैक्ट्रीज में बनाते हैं. ओके, फैब्रिक्स लाइक नायलॉन, टेरिकॉट एंड पॉलिएस्टर आर सिंथेटिक फैब्रिक्स. जो पैंट हमारे पापा या भाई लोग पहनते हैं वो टेरिकॉट पैंट होता है. पर्दे जो होते हैं वो पॉलिएस्टर के होते हैं. एंड जो सॉक्स हम लोग पहनते हैं वो नायलॉन के होते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, these are three synthetic fibers which are made by humans and they are called human made fibers or synthetic fibers. As soon as winter ends, Sana finds her mother packing woolen clothes. Her mother explains that these are woolen clothes and are worn in winters only. Woolen clothes do not allow body heat to escape and keep our body warm. Children, when the winter is over, our mothers or what we do, we pack our woolen clothes because we do not wear woolen clothes in summer season because woolen clothes are worn in winters only. Woolen clothes do not allow body heat to escape. जो हमारे अंदर जो बॉडी हीट होता है, जो हमारा शरीर जब गर्म होता है ना, तो वो वुलन क्लोथ्स क्या करते हैं, उसको बाहर नहीं जाने देते हैं और शरीर गर्म ही हो जाता है. तो इसीलिए वुलन क्लोथ्स हम लोग विंटर्स में नहीं पहन सकते हैं. फॉर विंटर्स वी नीड वुलन क्लोथ्स बट फॉर समर्स वी नीड cool clothes, cool materials like cotton. People who live at places that are very cold due to a lot of snowfall wear fur clothes. Fur clothes keep them warm. Children, in places like Antarctica, Greenland, where there is too cold, there is always the temperature is in minus degrees. There people wear fur clothes. Fur keeps the body warm. When it is hot, we wear light colored linen or cotton clothes. They allow body heat to escape and keep our body cool. Children, as I told, in summers we wear cotton clothes or linen clothes. These are very light fabrics. So we do not wear these fabrics in winters. These fabrics allow the body heat to escape. तो शरीर ठंडा रहता है. जब शरीर गर्म रहता है तो हम लोग शरीर गर्म रखने के लिए हम लोग वुलन कोट्स पहनते हैं बिकॉज वुल डज नॉट अलाउ द बॉडी हीट टू एस्केप. बट लाइट क्लोथ्स लाइक लिनन एंड कॉटन दे अलाउ द body heat to escape and keep the body cool. When it rains, we use raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots. These are made of material that does not allow water to pass through it. This is called waterproof material. This material keeps us dry and protect us from the rain. Children, we use raincoats and umbrellas and gumboots to protect us from rain. These things, we use these things in heavy rains. We use these things to protect us from getting wet. So children, and these materials are made up of these things like raincoat, umbrellas, gumboots. These are made up of such type of materials which does not allow water to pass through it. पानी बिल्कुल आर पार नहीं हो सकता है इसके, इसीलिए ये भीगते नहीं हैं. ये जिस तरह के मटेरियल से बने होते हैं ना, ये भीगते नहीं हैं. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स आर कॉल्ड वाटर प्रूफ मटेरियल्स. सो चिल्ड्रन रिमेंबर, अम्ब्रेला, रेनकोट एंड गमबूट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मटेरियल्स विच आर वाटर प्रूफ मटेरियल्स. These materials keep us dry and protect us from the rain. Children, when it is raining heavily outside, what we wear to go to school or when your father is getting ready to go to office in a rainy day, he wears a raincoat. In same way, when you come to school, you take an umbrella or you wear raincoat. So this type of materials help us from staying dry and not getting wet. So children, here we have completed chapter number 3, housing and clothing. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through the chapter properly, do your assignments, and children, get ready for your half yearly exams now. All the best children, be safe and study hard.